In this video, you'll learn how to add the cost of goods sold to your products in PlugBooks. This helps you understand the actual profit you're making by automatically calculating costs for each payout. There are 3 ways to enter your costs, and we'll go through each method step by step. The first method is entering the cost for each product individually. Step 1. Click on Cost of Goods Sold from the sidebar, and select Cost of Goods Sold list. Step 2. In this tab, you'll see all your products. Enter the cost for each product in the designated field. Step 3. Make sure to hit Save at the bottom of the page when you're done. The second method allows you to enter costs using an Excel sheet. This is a great option if you have many products. Step 1. Click on Import SKU Cost. Step 2. In the pop-up window, click Download File to get the Excel file with your SKUs. Step 3. Open the downloaded file from your browser and enter the cost for each product. Important, don't change the SKU or product names in the sheet, just enter the cost, and save the Excel file. Step 4. After filling in the costs, go back to PlugBooks, and in the same pop-up, click Upload. Select your updated file. Step 5. Once uploaded, the file name will appear below the Upload button. Click Submit to save the changes. The third method allows you to create a group of products and assign a cost to the entire group. Step 1. Go to SKU Group Mapping. Step 2. Here, you'll see the option to create a group. Click on SKU Group, and in the pop-up, enter your group name and the group cost. Then click Create. Step 3. Your new group will appear at the top of the list. Now, click Assign SKU to add products to the group. Step 4. Drag and drop SKUs from the available list to the assigned side, or hold Ctrl and select multiple SKUs to assign all at once. Click Save when done. Start tracking your true profits today. Now that you know all 3 methods, choose the one that suits you best and start tracking your cost of goods sold in PlugBooks. Thanks for watching.